Hi, I'm Jan from Kitchen Kitchen. And do bananas have seeds? Well, actually, a lot of people think they do, but they do not have seeds at all. They're actually reproduced by planting another branch into the ground, and that's where the bananas come from. The banana fruit actually grow in hanging clusters with up to 20 fruit to a tier. Both skin and inner part can be eaten raw or cooked. Western cultures generally eat the inside raw and throw away the skin, while some Asian cultures generally eat both the skin and the inside cooked. Guess what? Bananas are a valuable source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium. We have some great gadgets that demonstrate how to cut a banana into bite-sized pieces, which are a lot of fun. Simply take this gadget right here, put it over the top of the banana, push it in, which pierces the skin, and pull it back, and check it out. It peels your banana nice and easily. Then, once you've peeled your banana, we have another fun gadget that will actually take the banana and put it into nice slices. This gadget right here is great. Just place the banana on the counter, take this gadget, line it up, and give it a push. And see, look at that. No seeds.